Look at the size of the sandcastle, Daksh.
It's huge, Khushi. But have you ever wondered what the sand and dirt are made of?
Not really. What are they made of? My mom mentioned that soil is really important for plants. But how is soil made?
Let's find out together. I think soil is formed over a long time.
Mom, we were making a castle, then suddenly a question came up in my head.
What's the question, Khushi?
Mom, how is soil made?
Oh, good question, Khushi. You know, the earth is made up of several layers. Each layer consists of different materials. The topmost layer of the earth's surface is called soil. Do you feel some grains and sticky mud?
Yes, Auntie, I think soil is a mixture of minerals, water, air, and other substances.
Yes, Daksh, you are right.
So, Mom, can you tell me about the formation of soil?
Yes, Khushi. Look, soil is formed through a process that takes hundreds of years. Hot and cold weather conditions, rain, sunlight, wind, and ice can cause rocks to crack and break up into smaller pieces. These smaller pieces keep breaking down until a fine, powdery material is formed. This powdery material is soil. Besides pieces of rock, soil also has humus. When plants and animals die, they decompose or break down and get mixed with the soil, forming humus. Plants grow well when there is a lot of humus present in the soil.
Wow, that's how soil is formed?
What's in the soil, Auntie?
Soil contains many things. The bottom layer is made up of small stones called gravel. Above this, there are some particles that are much smaller than gravel. These are sand particles. Above the sand particles, there is another layer of very small fine particles. They are so small that you cannot see the particles separately, and we call it clay. And you know, humus is found at the top of the soil a few inches down the soil.
That's interesting. So, soil isn't just dirt?
Exactly. It's a mixture that supports life. Soil found in different places has different colors, formations, and textures. There are different types of soil. Let's look at three main types: clayey soil, sandy soil, and loamy soil.
What is clay soil?
Soil that contains mostly clay particles is called clayey soil. It is soft, sticky, and very smooth in texture, often found near riverbeds. When baked, it becomes hard and is used to make toys, flower pots, idols, and more. The tiny clay particles stick together and can hold a lot of water.
It's really sticky.
Soil with a high content of sand particles is called sandy soil. It has a rough texture and is commonly found on seashores and in deserts. Sandy soil is used to make bricks. The large sand particles create many air spaces, allowing water to pass through easily. However, plants do not grow well in sandy soil, and only a few can thrive in it.
It looks so different from clay soil. So, Auntie, which soil is best for growing plants?
Loamy soil is the best for growing plants. It's a mix of sand, clay, and silt. It holds water well but also drains easily, making it perfect for gardening. Plants grow well in loamy soil.
This must be what we have in our garden.
Yes, Kushi.
So, Auntie, is soil necessary for us in many ways?
Yes, Daksh. Soil is very important because it supports plant growth, which in turn supports all life on earth. Plants give us oxygen to breathe, food to eat, and even materials to build our homes. You know, kid soil takes 100 years to form. We must protect the soil by planting more trees.
So, without soil, we wouldn't have plants?
That's right. Soil is also home to many organisms like worms and insects that help keep it healthy.
What about these rocks? Are they important too?
Yes, rocks are very important. They are the source of soil and have many uses. Let's talk about some common types of rocks: granite, diamond, and marble. Granite is a very hard rock. It's often used for building countertops and monuments because it's durable.
It looks so smooth.
Diamond is the hardest natural material on earth. It's used in jewelry and cutting tools. Diamonds form under extreme pressure and heat deep within the earth.
Diamonds are so shiny.
Marble is a beautiful rock used in buildings and sculptures. It's formed from limestone under high pressure and temperature.
It's so cool. This same material is used in our house.
I never knew that there was so much to learn about soil and rocks.
Me too. Soil supports life and rocks have so many uses.
I'm glad you both enjoyed learning. Remember, the earth is full of wonders and there's always something new to discover.